Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Threads app. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Threads and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. Then you can go to Play Store. You will search about Threads like this and then you can update your app if you find update here in this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.